Welcome to the future of work, where humans and robots are collaborating like never before. Today we introduce you to Cobots, also known as collaborative robots, designed to work with people, not replace them. These incredible machines are revolutionizing industries from manufacturing to healthcare, and their impact is just beginning. What sets Cobots apart from traditional industrial robots is their emphasis on safety, intelligence, and intuitiveness. Whether it's assisting in complex assembly tasks, lifting heavy loads, or handling repetitive motions, Cobots are the ultimate team players. In factories around the world, Cobots are helping companies tackle labor shortages and improve efficiency. Equipped with advanced sensors, these intelligent robots can respond in real time to their environment, ensuring safety for workers while speeding up production. Take welding as an example. The shortage of skilled welders has driven industries to adopt cobots capable of handling precise welding tasks. Cobots are bridging this labor gap, enabling companies to meet demands without compromising quality. The cobots aren't limited to factories alone. They are making their way into fields such as healthcare, where they assist with tasks like preparing medical equipment, and retail, where they lend a helping hand with stocking and inventory management. The remarkable thing about cobots is their ability to work safely alongside humans, making them perfect for these diverse environments. They assist without replacing human jobs, allowing people to focus on tasks that require creativity, decision-making, and care. So what makes cobots so unique? It's all about their cutting-edge technology. These robots are equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and artificial intelligence, enabling them to adapt to their surroundings, learn from repetitive tasks, and continuously improve their efficiency. As cobots work diligently, they gather invaluable data and employ machine learning to become even more effective over time. The more they learn, the better they perform, making them an indispensable asset in any industry. Imagine a world where humans and robots work together in perfect harmony, complementing each other's strengths. Cobots are making this vision a reality, offering safer, more efficient, and smarter ways to tackle tasks across industries. The best part is you don't need to be a robotics expert to use a cobot. With their user-friendly interfaces, anyone can program and interact with these robots, making them accessible to businesses of all sizes. As we close, let the upbeat music and stunning visuals show you cobots in action across various industries. Witness the future of collaboration, with humans and robots working side by side to create more efficient, safer, and smarter workplaces. Are you ready to embrace the Cobot revolution? Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest developments in robotics and AI. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.